My mate invests in the stock market and why you should too. Because everyone ought to be rich by Bo Sanchez. Once upon a time, Bo Sanchez was a poor missionary who received an allowance of 30 pesos a day. There were days when he couldn't afford to pay for a bus ticket to preach in a prayer meeting. But in 1998, he transformed his life. Today, he owns 12 small businesses, all running on autopilot because he spends 90% of his time still doing missionary work. He also learned how to invest in the stock market, and he has never forgotten the true purpose of wealth, to love others. In this inspiring yet highly practical book, you will read the fascinating story of how he helped three of his house helpers invest in the stock market and build their retirement fund. He will tell you how he taught them the five envelope system. He will explain how he painted a clear vision of their future in their minds. In this book, you will learn his four rules to making millions through the stock market. Bo believes that you can retire a multimillionaire by investing in the stock market, because if his helpers can do it, you can too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.